Hi, my name is Brian. I'm with Quartz Carpet Seamless Stone Systems. We're in Manchester, New Hampshire. We're a certified installer. Granite State Epoxy is putting down one of our systems at Hanover Hill. We have the guys out back finishing up the trowel work, finishing up the job. It's looking awesome. Let's go out back and take a look. The Quartz Carpet Seamless Stone System is a great system for outdoors. You can put it in patios, walkways, pool decks. And here, there's a special space where the residents at Hanover Hill go outside to enjoy the weather. With a Quartz Carpet Seamless Stone System on their patio, they can enjoy the weather on a good-looking patio deck. For this particular application, our customer chose the Unity series, which has more texture, more grip, for sure footing outside even when it's wet. The Quartz Carpet Seamless Stone System also looks great. It gives a nice tight pack and can go over any concrete surface. We're located in Manchester, New Hampshire. Give us a call if you're looking to become a certified installer today.